What's up, everyone? Brian here with SLG Concrete Coatings, where we are at our client Marji's house, where we're going to check out a job that we did about a few months ago, and also get her perspective on her experience with SLG through the estimation process and through the installation process. So yeah, we just want to check it out, see what's going on, and also give you guys a chance to see what it's like to be a client with us. So join along and let's go see how Marji's doing. Let's check it out. All right, so now we're going to the front of the house where you get to check out this front entry. And not only did the coatings turn out beautiful, but this is an absolutely beautiful place. I mean, this is awesome. Check this out. What is really cool about how this all went down is we've actually been back to this property twice. The first time we did a front entry and then just a portion of the back patio, and then she loved it so much, as you will hear, that we ended up doing the whole rest of her backyard.
Well, your guy was on time, came when he said he would come, and then he had the estimate to me the following day. As soon as I got that, I scheduled with him the time that I wanted to. He stayed on top of the schedule, and we had a couple of rain delays, so he called me the week prior, said, hey, doesn't look like we're gonna make it, let's schedule it out 2 weeks. And once we were past the rain, the guys came out, performed the work. It was phenomenal. So you guys told me they'd be here at 7 o'clock in the morning. They were probably here at 5 till. They were incredibly quiet. At 7 o'clock, they were ready to go to work. They had told me it'd be a day and a half to complete the process. They stayed on task. They are true craftsmen. I watched from the time they scraped and actually wasn't scraping. They actually grind down the entire concrete. They came back after grinding. They filled in cracks, ground that back down. They vacuumed it twice. The afternoon they put on the sticky coat and then the powder coat with the flake. That cured overnight. They were back the next morning at 7 o'clock, hand scraped it twice, put on the clear coat, and were gone by 1 o'clock, which they had told me they would be. They were clean. They picked up everything other than being magic genies. They transformed my backyard in 48 hours.
Yeah.
So I had half my entire concrete around the house done the first time. I was so impressed with the product and the experience. I had you guys come back 2 weeks later and finish the rest of my concrete. I've had friends and neighbors over now that are so impressed with the product as well. They all want to put it in their yards also.
Family.
I'd highly recommend. And in fact, my sister-in-law wants to do her garage, which I'll be talking to you about that next. And I've got friends in Texas that want a contact from you, and friends in Sacramento that want contacts from you as well to do this same work.
Awesome. And that's it, Marji.
All right.
Thank you so much. mean, check out those lines. Our guys had to meet up with all that stone just dialed. Yes, people, we are pet friendly. Most definitely. So with that, we're gonna end this video. We'd really like to thank Marji for having us out to take a look at her project, give you guys a good understanding and a feel for what it'd be like to work with us. So if you got a project you have in mind, give us a call anytime. We'd love to come check it out, measure it out for you, and go from there, see what happens. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate you, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, guys, take care.